So today I've got a lightning cable, or two lightning cables, by a company called Rampow, which these come up relatively cheaply, around about $7 AUD on Amazon recently, which typically for an MFI or made for iPhone cable, usually spending a minimum of around $15. So at that price, I thought it was definitely worthwhile checking them out. There was two versions that arrived. Both of them, turns out they were the identical size box. One's old packaging, one's new packaging. Yeah, one little weird little guide that is wanting you to register for your warranty. So being that they're pushing for that, I'd be pretty happy to think that the quality of them, if they're happy for people to register it, that it must be decent quality, especially when it's got the MFI certification, or I believe the charging chip. Now looking at box number 2, there's really not that much difference apart from a bit of the paperwork you get. The cable themselves is identical. But yeah, potentially, well, to me, very much an unheard of brand. But yeah, for the price of it, definitely can't turn away from it. And especially if it's got that MFI, I find it very good value for money. The braiding itself feels very similar to other braiding, except this one's got a particular colour to it. But yeah, the older version, newer version, virtually identical, it's just the packaging that changes. So yeah, definitely might be worth checking out. Bye.